Hey guys, this is Nick from PHP and 123.com. Today we're going to be talking about anonymous functions in PHP. I don't run ads on any of my videos, so I'd appreciate it if you could check out my site and my book, PHP and 123, to show your support. Links are in the details section below. Okay, so anonymous functions are useful when you don't want to clutter up your global namespace. Say you'll only be using a function like as a callback or maybe a single time. If you're familiar with jQuery, which is just a JavaScript library, you've probably seen them a lot. But anyway, let's take a look at what we have here. So here we have PHP script, and there's going to be generally two ways you can use anonymous functions. The first one is where you use it as a callback. And what we're going to have is we're going to have our array here, just a simple array, and then we're going to call the array walk function. And so for this function, we pass it the array, and then for each element, we want to run our anonymous function here. So essentially, this is just going to output we have, and then the value that is passed in. The array element is going to be the value that gets passed in. Before we do that output, let's look at the other way we actually do it, and that is where we can either set a variable here, and then we assign the anonymous function to as a variable name. It kind of works like a pointer, so that way when we call it, we just call the variable name and pass it the argument of whatever we have here. So let's go ahead and run it. And you'll see we have first, we got 1, 2, 3, which is what we were outputting for each time. And then the second time we run it, we have as a variable reference, we have hello, which is what we passed it. So let's take a look at it again. And you can see all the elements here were 1, 2, 3. And then when we jumped in with this, it was hello. So that's the way anonymous functions work in PHP. It's important to remember this is only supported in PHP 5.3 and up. So just be careful with that. All right, so this is Nick from PHP and 123.com. Thanks for stopping by. Please like the video, leave a comment below, and check out my book, PHP and 123. Thanks, guys.